Hi, this screencast is on the predicate, as you see, lesson 2. It's pretty short, and for the homework, we're going to combine lesson 2, the predicate, with lesson 3, which is called verbs. So in the screen that you can see in front of you, the predicate is defined as the part of the sentence that tells or asks something about the subject. So you can really find it by just asking any one of two simple questions. About what or whom is the sentence telling or asking something? Or what's the sentence saying or asking about the subject? I'm scrolling through and I'm going to reveal the first couple of exercises. Basically, they're going to want you to find the full predicate. And when I show you activity 1 here, you're going to see it's asking for you to write the predicate in each sentence. The sample A says, white chickens pecked at yellow-green. So it's saying something about the chickens. They're pecking at the yellow-green. That's going to be your predicate. Sure, it's going to contain prepositional phrases, maybe a couple modifiers, but that is the predicate. So for activity 1, I'd like you to do questions 1 through 5, and you're going to be writing the predicate out as they're asking. Okay, instead of writing it in each sentence on the line, you're going to do that on your line paper. So I'd like you to complete numbers 1 through 5. So pause this to complete them and then continue on. This part of the screen shows that the predicate can sometimes go after the subject, sometimes before the subject, and sometimes it can be broken up, as you see in these examples. Activity 2 is asking for you to draw a single line under the complete subject of the sentence. All I really want you to do here is write out the sentence, underline the subject once, and underline the predicate twice. That's the standard procedure for the way we're going to be diagramming sentences when we get into more complex work in our grammar studies. So pause this screen and continue when you're done with activity 2. Activity 3 asks you to complete the sentence with a predicate that works. So a little bit of creativity here. The sample has the strange yellow food, and the person wrote, was our lunch. So have some fun with these. There are 10. So pause your screen, complete the 10, and when you're done, move on to activity 4. Activity 4 is our last one. I said this is a very, very quick lesson. And these are kind of tricky. They're giving you a poem from Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. And can you see there are underlined words or phrases? And next to each of them, there are 7 altogether. They're continued on. Here you go. You will underline you will identify, the underlined phrase, numbers 1 through 7. Sometimes it's a word, sometimes it's a phrase, but you'll be able to identify it as either the subject or the predicate. There's the last 2 lines. That is the last of the screencast, and we're going to end here, and I'm going to save this and upload it to YouTube. But the next one you're going to continue is simply called verbs. Okay, have fun.